Hey guys, so I'm trying to find a car. I've been to 3 other dealerships today, but now I'm gonna try Lexus El Cajon and see what I can find. Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm doing fine. Welcome to Lexus El Cajon.
Thank you.
Of course. What's your name?
Diana, what's yours?
I'm Joey.
Nice to meet you.
Pleasure to meet you. How can I help you?
So I'm looking for something that's inexpensive and fuel efficient.
Okay, perfect. Well, let me introduce you to the CT.
Okay.
This is our most fuel-efficient vehicle, 43 miles to the gallon, 4-cylinder, and it's a hatchback model. Come on back.
Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, I think I fell in love with this car. So I just signed all the paperwork and now I'm just ready for my new car to be pulled up.